So today the video is about a phone we've been waiting for a couple of months. Well, the girl in the studio to be precise. It is the Huawei Nova 13 Pro. I trusted her instincts, so we got this phone firsthand, and the Nova 13 Pro does impress me a lot. If you're tired of smartphones as cold, technical tools and just want a model expressing your sense with a dazzling design, the Nova 13 Pro is probably the most stylish of all the special options. Furthermore, unlike those top-notch flagships, it wasn't born with the intention of being a tech show-off. It exists more about to fill a personalized niche in the market. So it's great to hear that it's released for global users. So in this video, I'll share my experience and inspiration driven by the Huawei Nova 13 Pro, and of course, why it's so impressive at the first glance. Okay, let's get on with it. First, let's follow my colleagues' delightful unboxing and check out what we got inside. When I open the box, there's the Nova 13 Pro at the top, followed by a small card pin, a clear case, a 100-watt charging head, and a T2C cable. However, there's one point I have to mention, and that is the case. The phone's back cover is so elegantly designed that I refuse to put a case on. It's funny that the case is even much easier to collect fingerprints than the phone. Thanks to the unique plate texture with the matte finish, the phone offers a decent grip and touch in hands, so no way to make me put the case on. Well, to cut to the chase, back to the phone. This time, the Nova 13 Pro offers Loden Green, Feather Sand White, and Starburst Black. The naming of these colors seems to call to our imaginations. Well, I do look for its mapping in the natural world, especially the green variant in my hand does inspire me of something like the country life in my childhood, memories of low saturated greeneries with the sharp edges and lively fabric texture for family afternoon picnics. Of course, the above is just to give you an idea of how much I like the green design. We chose the green version for no other reason than I was struck by it at first glance. To the more detailed, these colorways feature low saturation colors, especially the Loden Green. It is visually comfortable and not fancy at all. The back cover of the fuselage is made of all glass material with the AG itching process. It feels silky smooth and surprisingly does not easily collect fingerprints. It's likely the first time we saw a plate texture applied on a smartphone. The dynamic texture looks so lively, the patterns light and shadow shift in various lighting angles. The Nova 13 Pro utilizes slightly edge-curved design on the front face. Visually, the four equal corners of the display offer absolute balance. It is a design that balances the rounded feel of a curved screen with the precise control of a flat display. It allows our palms to fit the phone better when holding it in one hand. The screen measures 6.76 inches with a resolution of 1224 by 2776 pixels and support a 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate, just like the other phones in 2024. Especially when we experience the latest MIUI, the display adds the bonus to the smooth software experience. The rear camera module features a newly upgraded design of the Star Orbit ring made with a crafted metal piece. The metal color of the ring manages to be unified with the back cover, but still stands out with the CNC metal cutting, and is one of the rare sub-flagships this year where the camera module size gets controlled. So here the whole design looks pretty natural with the less dominant camera islands in visual. Huawei has always been innovative when it comes to design sense. With the metal engraving and the Nova logo's star area arrangement, the ring's metallic texture looks even more exquisite. The looks alone are already inspiring enough. However, the second reason I chose to recommend it is its powerful camera performance. The lenses are paired with a 50-megapixel lens with variable apertures, a 3x telephoto portrait lens with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro lens, a laser focus sensor, and a 10-channel color temperature sensor. Now let's check out how the camera samples convinced us. The front 60-megapixel portrait lens is excellent for capturing skin tones and details accurately, and the fast and accurate focus performs well in a variety of scenarios. And even another ultra-wide selfie lens easily has great skin detail and expressions with the AI-based boost feature. The rear 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens combination gets ideal results in different shooting scenarios and presents stunning colors and contrast even in poor lighting conditions. The main camera supports an adjustable physical aperture of f1.4 to f4. In auto mode, it would smoothly auto function to deliver an adaptive exposure. In addition, you can also manually set up the right aperture gear in aperture mode. Obviously, the 3x telephoto lens is also designed for taking portraits, This lens provides an amazing natural bokeh effect when shooting stills or portraits, easily highlighting the portraits more artistic. The 6x or even 10x shooting based on the 3x lens also works well, as there must be some AI optimization for the digital zooming. But even just with a 3x zoom, it still delivers great combination and produces clean and pure portrait shots. And the details of the characters are pretty decent. As for the ultra-wide lens, considering the 8 megapixel resolution, the best scenes would be macro shooting. But compared to the telephoto macro, it still has a gap. Huawei Nova 13 Pro's front-facing 60 megapixel portrait follow focus dual camera not only support a 0.7x to 5x portrait full zooming shooting, but also has excellent autofocus capabilities, which makes it easy to capture every moment, whether it's a selfie or a group photo. For photography enthusiasts, such a configuration is undoubtedly very attractive, as it allows you to take high-quality photos in any situation. We can take a look at the result of portraits taken with a different focal length. This multifocal lens feature can really make taking photos more interesting and varied, as it allows you to find the most suitable focal length for different scenarios. When it comes to night scenarios, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro still gives us surprises. The 3x telephoto lens supports OIS stabilization and AIS electric stabilization, which drastically reduces the impact of handshaking on image quality. The OIS improves stability at slightly long exposure and shooting experience as well. The advantage of the HUAWEI area and large aperture are pretty obvious. The image detail is still excellent with decent contrast, and there's no obvious noise or blurring traces in the dark areas. So in the night shooting, the overall color reproduction is spot on, not biased. The colors were able to be correctly shown in the neon lights, also without overexposure, and clearly showing the dark details as well. The camera has an AI feature built in, which can help you identify subject fast and get a better photo for it. The AI retouch features are also efficient and interesting. The AI elimination would automatically eliminate the background clutter and fills in the missing part of the picture. I personally love this feature because it allows me to easily fix unwanted elements after taking a photo to make it look perfect. The best expression can help selecting expressions from multiple group photos, making everyone in the group look good and presenting a clear, realistic photo. Even if someone's eyes are closed, a quick AI fix can restore the photo to perfection. In addition, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro has a large 5000 mAh battery combined with a 100W fast charging. The phone can be charged to 30% in 5 minutes, 52% in 10 minutes, and full charged in just 24 minutes, which is basically the same as it claimed. To summarize, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro has really good design, imaging system, network capability, and battery life. You will fall in love with the fashionable design at first sight, then the imaging system and battery life will make you love it even more. As the holiday season is coming, will you pick this one for your beloved ones? Let us know in the comment section, and we will see you next time.